Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of simplifying expressions and order of operations. This is standard 5.4F in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 7 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Cassidy's walking and bathing dogs. She charges $8.50. If a customer wants a dog walked and bathed, $5.75. Just wants it walked, so it's extra for the bath. So the list shows the jobs that Cassidy did last month. So Saturday, 6 dogs for a walk, 5 dogs for walks on Sunday, and then Saturday's got 4 dogs that get both, and Sunday's got 4 dogs that get both. All right. So she's going to use this following expression to determine the amount of money she earns walking and bathing dogs last weekend. So kudos to her for writing this expression. So where does this come from? Well, you get your $5.75. That's if a dog is just walked. And then she's going to multiply that by the 6 plus 5. Well, 6, that's this right here. So she's going to add how many dogs she only walks. 6 on Saturday, 5 on Sunday. Multiply that by what we see, the $5.75, that's the cost. And then that's half of it. The other half is going to be the $8.50. Now she could have done 4 plus 4 if she really wanted to. It's going to get you the same answer, because really that's what we got. We got 2 dogs, or 2 days of 4 dogs that need both a walk and a bath. But she also decided, well, I can also do 2 times 4. 2 times 4, 4 plus 4, same thing. So how much money did she earn? Well, when we do all this, we should be thinking of our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's how I always remember it. So we're always going to be looking at the parentheses, then the exponent. And exponent's not really anything we get into in 5th grade. It shows up more starting in 6th grade. We've got multiply and divide. And then we've got add and subtract. Now, these really live on 4 different levels. So you're always going to look at the parentheses first. Always going to look at exponents second. Like I said, it doesn't really show up in 5th grade. Multiply and divide are equal, so they can come in either order. Same with add and subtract. If you see subtraction first, you can always do that before an addition. So let's look. We've got 2 different parentheses right here and right here. So we need to go ahead and simplify that. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite our problem right here. And I'm going to go ahead and simplify what's in that. So that's going to be times 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. And $8.50. 2 times 4 equals 8. All right. Now when you have a number outside of a parentheses, this simply means multiplication. We just use parentheses because when we start looking at unknowns, we use the letter X sometimes to represent an unknown. So we're done with the parentheses. Now I've just got 2 different multiplications I need to do. I need to do these 2 multiplications first before I finally add. All right, so let's do some multiplication. 575 times 11. All right, that's 575. 575, that's easy. Add it up. And that's 5, that's 12, that's 13. Now I've got 2 digits behind the decimal in that factor, so I need 2 digits behind the decimal. So this is really 63.25. Then I need to do this 850 times 8. All right. I'm going to just do 8.5. I'm going to drop that 0 because I don't feel like multiplying by 0. It's 40, 64, 68. I need 1 digit behind the decimal right there. So it's just $68. I'll do the 0.00 to kind of keep it even. Now I need to add, right? So I need to add the 68 and 63.25. So let me just line it up right there. That's my final step. And there we go. We got 131.25. And so you see that addition was very last. We got that as an answer of D.